Good evening. Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Rupesh, what is your roll number?
6077.
Ah. Galla Charan. Galla Charan. Charan? Charan, were you there in the last class? Charan? Because I think I have not given attendance or I don't know.
No,
Charan?
ma'am.
No, you were not there.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This is your first class.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you went to college today, ma'am?
Yeah, I just now came back. Because from tomorrow strike is there, most probably we will not be able to go. I don't know, but lot of checking. Very rigorous checking they're doing now in Chettipet. I'm sorry. You know this place, right? Yeah.
Chettipet.
So I don't think it's possible from tomorrow, but still I want to try. They have given us pass also, but still the pass and all they are not seeing. Hmm. I think that is not that serious in your place, correct? Both of you.
No, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
From same district only.
Hmm.
Ours is in red zone, ma'am.
Hmm?
Our place is in red zone, ma'am.
Okay. So you will not be allowed to go out anywhere.
Yeah, ma'am. They said not to come outside, but all are here as
Ah,
usual only, ma'am.
you have to get all vegetables, everything. You have to come out and no other go.
Yeah, ma'am. They provide some temporary markets here, ma'am.
Hmm.
With that, it is somewhat easy, ma'am, to buy vegetables.
Okay. I don't know how it's going to be. They said
Yeah,
lockdown for 15 days, but it can't continue for a long time because there are many people who are jobless.
yeah, ma'am.
And they were already jobless, and now only they started again. Now the job is going, and I don't know where they'll go. It's very difficult for those people. Hmm. Why no one else has come?
Don't know, ma'am.
Evening problem?
Not like that, ma'am. I think it's not.
No, but I have messaged yesterday night itself, and
Yeah,
now
ma'am. Timetable also came, ma'am,
timetable
yesterday.
it is there, and now I have given the link also. And today I'm not going to do from the Capgemini paper because many last yesterday like they were saying to do concepts instead of going for this
Yeah, we will go like that only, ma'am.
concepts, right?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, for first years, did you give any class notes to them, ma'am?
Yeah, I am giving them. Yeah.
Did you give before itself,
Which notes,
ma'am?
ma?
For this aptitude only, ma'am.
Uh,
You were
Actually,
taking
for them it is
online.
a credit paper.
Oh,
So for that, like they have to write the record. It's a practical paper for them.
okay, okay, ma'am.
So for practical paper, when they have to write in the record notebook, not like you're simply trying something and doing it. So we have to give them the complete notes.
Oh,
The students are like not able to write by themselves fully.
yeah, ma'am.
So I'm writing and giving. Of course, only I'm writing and giving. Other faculties are not giving it, but I know very well how they'll write. So that will become a problem. See, you yourself
హలో ప్రియాంక మ్యామ్ వెళ్ళిపోయిందా?
మ్యామ్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
అదే నాకు వాయిస్ రాలేదు అనుకుంటా ఉన్నా. సరే సరే వస్తుందిలే ఆమె. హలో
Hello, yeah. There was a power cut. I don't know. Everything got disconnected. I had this inverter, UPS, all got disconnected.
ఓ
Hello. Can you hear me?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
There is a power issue here. Okay, so many of you have joined now. I just want the roll numbers to be set so that I can mark the attendance now itself. Can you tell one by one? Because
123, ma'am.
123. Kishore.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Hariharan 92. Next, ma. Janani Pratik Reddy. Pratik Reddy, what's the roll number? 103. I think Pratik Reddy, last class you didn't come. Janani R 101. Jyotika 106. Gala Charan, I have marked already 81. Nanda Kumar 104. If you just tell once, I think it will be easy for me to mark instead of saying this.
Ma'am,
Just-
122.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll read one by one. You please.
6083, ma'am.
122. 1 minute. I'll mark one by one. 132 or what number you said?
122.
122. Yeah, I have taken yours already.
6099, ma'am.
99.
83, ma'am.
83.
89 ma.
83 is Dinesh.
Yes, ma'am.
89, Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 74, ma'am.
74,
91,
Yogesh.
ma'am.
Ma'am, 72.
72, Mounia.
Yes, ma'am.
72, Mounia. Then
90, ma'am.
90.
91, ma'am.
90 is Anupama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
74, ma'am.
74, Yogesh. I have already given this. Yeah.
Triple one, ma'am. Triple one.
Triple one.
79, ma'am.
91, ma'am.
Wait. Triple one.
91,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
91. Sumanna. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Yeah. Next.
79, ma'am.
79. Suman.
80, ma'am.
89 already given.
50.
Triple one, ma'am.
Kavya, what's your number?
119, ma'am.
Next.
150.
50 or 150?
90, ma'am.
502. 502, Nisha.
120, ma'am.
120. Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
115.
115, B.
115.
115. Karthik, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
109, ma'am.
109. Vaishali. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am. 118. 118.
118. Yeah, it's already marked. Janvi. Janvi is 102. Then next. That's all. Okay, after this, I just want to read out. If anything is missing, then you tell me. Janani R. Janani R marked already. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no, I'll read one by one. You just tell me. No, I just thought I not marked. I have marked yours. 67, Dinakaran. 68, Dilli Babu. 69, Dinesh Kumar. 70, Divakar. 71, Divya. Up to this, no one is present. Then Maunya present, 72. And then Raju Krishna not present. Yeah. 74, Yogesh. I think he's present.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Then Edward Samuel not present. Ilavarsan not present. Somebody Rupesh present. 78, Nitish Sai not present. Then Sumant present. Charan Sai present. Gala Charan present. Ganesh not present. Dinesh present. Then yeah, but my voice is not clear. Joy Pravina. What is Joy Pravina's number? I'll get back to this. Joy Pravina, what is the number? That's here. Right. So 83 present. Then 84 is Anish. I don't know exactly his name. He's not present. 86 not present.
Sleeping, ma'am. Always sleeping.
Who is sleeping? Karunya. Karunya sleeping always. Wait a minute, Karunya. Okay. That I'll mark later. I asked you for. Wait, I said last one is. Okay. Goodwin, Plesso, Gautami. Gautami Ramesh, not present. Priyanka present. Anupama present. Sumanna present. Hariharan present. Then Harita. She's not there. Hemlata. Hemavati. Manisha present. Ahmed not present. Ritvik not present. And then next is Jai. Jai Vigneshwaran. Jai Vigneshwaran. Present or not?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Then Janani Priya. Not present. Janani R. I think she is present.
Present, ma'am.
Janavi, present. Then Janga Pratik Reddy, present.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Jayananda Kumar, present. Jyotika, present. Joy Pravina, present. And then next comes Yashwant Reddy. Is he present now? Kalluru Muni Yashwant Reddy.
No, ma'am. PUBG.
Huh? Yes, ma. Hello, you were saying something, Dinesh.
No, ma'am. He's not.
He's playing PUBG.
Yes, ma'am.
There are many students who are really addicted to all these things. Okay, then Kolluru Vaishali.
He's pro, ma'am. Pro.
Vaishali? Vaishali present or not?
Present, ma'am.
Kamali?
Present, ma'am.
Kamali not present. Then Venkatesh Sai, he is present. Karan not present. Karan Sumant? Karthis? Karthik B present. Karthikeyan? Karunya?
Present, ma'am.
Karunya present. Then Venkatesh Shashi Kumar Reddy present.
Madam,
Yeah, present. Kavya?
Present, ma'am.
Present. Then Nandini present. Kishore HK. Kishore EL. I think is present. Kishore EL is present?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yeah.
122.
Got it. Janani Priya is one more person. Who is Janani Priya number? Yeah, she's here. Sumant Yadav. Sumant, just now I read. Sumant. Karanam Sumant is Sumant Yadav? No. Sumant Yadav, what is your roll number?
66, ma'am. 166.
166 or 66?
166.
There is no number 166 here. Do you belong to this batch? Sumant Yadav? Hello? Sumant Yadav, are you in this batch? What happened? So silent. Yes, Sumant. Confused. Okay, let it be. I'll see that later. The next is, I said Ramesh is over. Gautami. No problem. Okay, 1 minute. Hariharan, Harita, Hemlata, Hemavati. I'm sorry. I'm in the next page. Kishore EL, Kishore M.
Kishore M present, ma'am.
Kishore M present. Okay. Kishore Kumar R. Jashwant. Nikhil. Koganti Naga Charan.
Ma'am, Hariharan present, ma'am.
Hariharan number.
92.
You are present already.
Yes, ma'am.
129 Kokila Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
This was not there last time, also the same problem. Okay. It is missing in that list. Otherwise, your name is there in there.
Okay, ma'am.
Kokila Priya is there. Fine. If anyone feels that it is missing, please put your name in the chat box with the roll number, that I'll mark it later. So we'll start the class now. Yeah, this one, I actually, yesterday's class, I had a feedback like students started asking for the concepts instead of going for the problem. How do you people feel? Shall I go for the concept or you want the problem to be done? Hello? Hello? All this time everybody was discussing and now suddenly got stopped. Dinesh, what happened? Venkatesai, Dinesh, Rupesh, Karthik, Janani. Tell me your opinion. Shall I go for this problem or you want this concepts to be done?
Concept, ma'am.
What concept? Which concept you want? Okay, yesterday I was doing time and work. Shall I do the same thing for you?
This is completed.
This is completed. Good. How about this?
Yeah, this is also completed.
This one?
Not yet, not yet. You have to start this problem.
Okay, to start this, shall I start with the time and work? I want everybody to get involved in this. Hello?
Madam,
Ma'am.
See, only 2 people speak in this class. Others are not at all saying anything. Hello?
Hello.
Let me not share first. Yeah, tell me now. I just want to discuss with you because yesterday what happened is in Biomed, only in the end of the class, they started telling me like they wanted concepts because they had done it long back and they forgot. And I'm jumping from one problem to the other problem, for example, for percentage to time and work, and they're unable to grasp all that. So they wanted one by one, not the company paper. So I want to know from your side also, it's not like only 2 students answering. Please give your opinion. And particularly, I'll give you one more problem which I'm facing is, like one student is saying and saying, ma'am, don't take only my opinion, ask others also. I want your opinion, individual opinion. If you say, if somebody is having any objection, they will say that. Okay. Yeah, tell me. Venkatesh Kumar. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, if you are taking the problems also, we are going through with the concept. So we are familiar with the concept as well as with the problem. So we are going for different problems. So we are solving so many concepts and we are learning.
That's
it's not
correct.
a big deal. There is no use of taking separately and going through the questions. I don't feel it's not that much valuable, right?
Sashi Kumar has given his opinion. How about others, ma? I want everybody. Hariharan, tell me what is your opinion.
If students are facing so much difficult in particular concept, they can rise at the time of
Only
while
when
you are explaining.
only I can do that. I'm here only to clarify doubts.
Anyway,
from
my side, I don't have any problem still now. Whatever you are solving.
What I want to say is, I'm here to clarify the doubts. It's not that I'm here just to finish my portion and get away from here. Portion, nothing is like portion, or you're not getting any credit for this. So we can do it slowly also. But only thing is, please give me your suggestion because only based on your suggestion, I can do the classes. Right? So
you can take the feedback from others, madam. That's my feedback from my side. Okay.
Correct.
I'm going to unmute.
Every class, the problem is only 1 student speaks or maximum 2.
Anyway, I'm going to mute my mic so you can ask the other feedbacks and proceed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, Karunya. Dinesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Emma, what is your opinion?
Hello.
What is your opinion?
Ma'am, if we have any doubts, we'll ask you, ma'am, in particular concept. That time you take concepts.
Very good. So we'll go for the paper itself then. As nobody is objecting. If you have any objection, you can tell. So we will start with this. Okay. Thank you for your feedback, but I just need something. Please keep telling something like you want this or you don't want, and accordingly I'll change it. I have no problem in doing in both the ways. Either this or that. Only thing is, you should get some benefit out of it. Okay. So now we'll do this. Tell me. It is a tank problem. So when the tank problem comes, I want to give you some input about Dilip Babu. Dilip Babu, you had to put your roll number in the chat box. Write your roll number in the chat box. So this is again coming under what concept? Time and work. So in time and work, we have 3 parts. One of the last one is.
Excuse me. Hello, excuse me, madam. Please kindly share the screen.
Oh, you're not able to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see now?
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Okay. So now you tell me in this. This is actually time and work, right? So time and work, I just want to know one basic thing, because some of the classes they say it's not done, some of the class they say it's done. Is it done for you? Is this time
No,
and
ma'am.
work? No, not yet done. So you have not done anything in time and work. In that case, I'll start with the time and work, then I'll explain this. Normally, as I told you in the percentage, like what exactly you do, what exactly you take as a starting value. Again and again, I have to say, you for everything, you just have to have some kind of a shortcuts in your mind which you can apply. Like percentage means always start with 100. Keep 100 in your mind. And also for any kind of a fraction problem, when I say, like any percentage is basically a fraction problem. When I say this 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. So either fraction problem or any percentage. Percentage is 100. When you have in terms of fraction, we always go for the LCM of the denominator as a total. So this having these fractions in any way, suppose I have something like this, then I can say what is LCM of these three? You can say 60. So you can start with 60 so that whenever you multiply this into 60, you can see that all of this will give you integer as the outcome. The purpose of taking the 60 is when you're taking 60 and then you're taking 1/3 of that or 1/4 of that or 1/5 of that. So you can see that this is going to be 20, this is going to be 15, and this is going to be 12. So all these are integers. The same process is even here for the time and work, you're going to use it. So time and work again, you have a direct method of taking this as an X as a total and then proceeding with that. But the other way of doing this is quite simple. I'll just give you the shortcut now. The quite simple is, yeah, please tell me. Any doubt you have, please say. Anish. Somebody said Anish only is playing games, right? Anish?
Dinesh said, ma'am.
Where is Anish? Anish, can you speak? What's his roll number?
84.
Anish? Can you speak, Anish?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is Anish? Anish. Can you show your face 1 minute? Yes? You're Anish. Okay, I just wanted to say. Good to see you. Bye. Okay then. Now, this one, here also what I'm going to do is, I'm just giving you the shortcut. I'm not going from the basic concepts because that I'll do it later in case you require. So you have a tank. You have a tank and you have something input pipe. Is there any output pipe in this? I put it in a proper way. Do you have an output pipe here? Hello? When you have a tank here, this is a tank I'm considering. I'm considering there is an input pipe. And as per the problem given that there is a leakage. What do you mean by leakage? Somewhere there is a leakage here. Okay. So you have something like input, something you have as an output. That's a leakage. Okay. So then the first thing is you fix this one. And then you have to fix the capacity of the tank. So all this problem is based on the capacity of the tank. So what will you take as a capacity of the tank? What will you consider as a capacity of the tank? No idea, right?
It's a quantity of any water or any.
So what we do is we don't. Yeah, no. Actually, we have to take some quantity, and the quantity is something whatever the data given here. It's a blindly I'm giving you this. It's not only for this problem. Even if you're not going through the problem, you are having very less time and just have to read this one. What are the quantities? Like you said, no. The numbers given here. What are the numbers given here? 1 hour 20 minutes is one time given there. Another time given is 2 hours and 10 minutes. So normally for time and work, you just have to consider the values given here. So I am going to consider these two values. 1 hour and 20 minutes is one value given here. Another one is 2 hours and 30 minutes. And also when you're doing mathematical calculation, you can see that having something in hours and something in minutes, it's not that easy to calculate. So we will convert everything in terms of minutes. So what is the minutes in terms of minutes? This is 60 minutes. And
80
this is
minutes. 80.
80 minutes. How about this?
130.
150.
120, 130.
Is it 130?
130 to
150.
10 minutes. 2 hours, 10 minutes.
I
ma'am.
think I wrote it wrong. Sorry. I
Yeah.
wrote it wrong. That's my mistake. It's 10 minutes, correct?
Yes,
It's 10
ma'am.
minutes. So therefore, this is going to be 80 minutes and this is going to be
30 minutes.
130 minutes. Fine. So these are the things. So now the data given, I don't want to say this is the timing here. I'm just going to say the data given is 80 and 130. So for time and work or time and distance or any other problem, like even in time and distance, I think we have already completed that problem. So what you do is you just have to consider the LCM of the given data. Same concept here also. See, this LCM concept is very, very useful. So try to follow that. Anywhere, like in the percentage or the speed or the time and work, you're going to consider this. So what's the LCM of this? You don't have to struggle. Don't try to multiply all that. What I will do is, you know, in both 10 is common, right? So 10 into what? When I consider this 80 and 130, first thing is I'll remove 10. You will have this. So we'll leave it as it. So I can say the LCM is nothing but 8 into 10
13
into 30. Okay. So this I'll consider as the capacity of the tank. The tank capacity when I consider is nothing but 8 into 10 into 13. So there are 2-3 tips which I have to give you is, whenever you are doing a bigger problem, if the numbers are too small, multiply and write the values. If the numbers are not small and little lengthy and you have to spend some time for the calculation, better leave it. Keep it in this form itself. This is a number, that's all. When it is required, we'll multiply. Now it is not required. I'll just keep it as capacity is 8 into 10 into 13. That's it. Okay. So we have fixed the capacity now. What is given here? This tank. A pipe can fill the season in 1 hour 20 minutes, or I'll replace this and read it as the pipe can fill the season in 80 minutes. Right. So which is an inlet pipe. This is what I have taken as an inlet pipe, right? So it takes 80 minutes to fill. Right? This takes 80 minutes to fill. So you have to say that when you're saying it is filling in 80 minutes, for every 1 minute, how much it is going to fill. I'll give you a shortcut for that also, but I just want to see whether you can guess that. When the tank gets filled in 80 minutes through the inlet pipe, and the tank capacity what we had taken is, maybe in terms of liters you can consider, that tank capacity is 8 into 10 into 13 liters. And now, for every 1 minute, how much is going to fill? Any idea?
80 by 60.
80 by 60. I just want to clarify all your doubts. So whatever you are saying, I'm going to take this 80 by 60. What do you mean by 80 by 60? If I directly give you a shortcut, you'll start just by hearting that. So I want you to understand this, then I'll give the shortcut. What is 80 by 60? The tank gets filled in 80 minutes, I said. Right. Okay, the number is too big. You are finding it very... Yeah.
So the total liters divided by 80 will give the
Okay,
per
fine.
minute.
Now I'll give you a small problem. 6 liters tank capacity is there. And the inlet can fill the tank in 2 minutes. If I just give you this. Because always when the number is big, it's a confusion. You always bring it to the smaller one where you can understand. If I say the capacity of the tank is 6 liters, in 2 minutes the 6 liters gets filled. So in 1 minute, how much will it fill?
3 liters. I mean 6/2.
Sashi Kumar,
Yes, madam.
yeah, you have to keep quiet, let others answer.
Okay.
Okay, because I understood that you are clear about this concept, but I want everybody to understand that.
Okay, madam.
When you have doubt, you can speak. Otherwise, I know very well that you know this, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Others, please tell me what you are supposed to do. If I say the tank capacity is 6 liters and it is getting filled in 2 minutes, in 1 minute, how much it is filling? Hello? I'm not taking class only for Sashi Kumar or 1 or 2 persons here. This is for everyone. Who is this? Yeah? Isn't it for everyone? Hello? Monia?
3 liters, ma'am.
Yeah. Please help me doing this problem. I want everybody to speak. Right? I want everyone to say something. See, 6 liters is the capacity when it is getting filled in 2 minutes. You know that every 1 minute it is going to fill 3 liters. Another 1 minute it is going to fill 3 liters. Correct. So how do you get this 3 from these two data? I have given you these two data. How do you get 3 from these two?
6/2.
6/2. Now it's clear. So I can write in this way also. In 2 minutes, if it is going to fill 6 liters, then 1 minute, what is it? Actually, what is that means? That's a variable which you're going to find out. It's always like a cross multiplication. So we can say x into 2 equals 6 into 1. Or I can say x is nothing but 6/2. So this is what we generally follow. This is like a sentence. In 2 minutes, it is going to fill 6 liters. In 1 minute, it is going to fill x liters. So you have to find the value of x, and it's always a cross multiplication. So in that way, you're going to bring this one down. Okay. So the same way you had to do it. Now I just asked you for what? Somebody gave this idea, but anyway, I wanted those ideas only. What exactly you think I needed. So I can say in 80 minutes, as Sashi Kumar said now. Now Sashi Kumar, can you say, what is it? In 80 minutes, is going to fill the complete tank. What is the tank capacity? Yeah, the tank capacity is given here. So when I say 80 minutes is going to fill this, in 1 minute, how much it is going to fill then? It's going to be T/80. Cross multiplication, same thing. You just have this and then cross multiply, you'll get this, right? So this is a thing which you're going to use everywhere. 80 minutes is T means 1 minute is T/80. And this is, again, you should remember this. This is mainly for the directly proportional, direct variable. So inversely proportional is another thing which we'll see that later. When it is directly proportional, then we have to consider this. Clear? Like we saw in the time and work problem in the first case, where number of men and number of days, it was inversely proportional. And then we had to multiply there. So here you have to add, divide. Okay. So 1 minute, now you tell me, in 1 minute, how much it is going to fill? Monia. Monia.
Ma'am.
In 1 minute, how much it is going to fill, ma'am? What are you supposed to do in 1 minute? The capacity of the tank divided by 80. Is it clear to you? Why we are dividing by 80? As I told you, 80 minutes is going to fill that. Then 1 minute means you have to bring that 80 down. That's it. So now, what's the
13
answer?
liters.
13 liters. So in 1 minute, it is going to fill in. It's going to bring in 30 liters. So that becomes the rate of this pipe. The rate of this pipe is 13 liters per minute. That's a rate. Okay. And now, another sentence is given. What is it? Due to leakage in the bottom of the cistern, it is filled in 2 hours and 10 minutes. That is nothing but 130 minutes. So again, you need to consider the same thing. What is it? In 130 minutes, it's going to empty the complete tank. That's what is given, right? Due to leakage at the bottom, it is going to fill. Now forget about the first case. Second case is, in this only one pipe is involved. The inlet pipe is involved. But here it is inlet as well as outlet pipe is involved, right? So in this case, 130 130 minutes is going to fill how much? 130 minutes is going to fill 130 minutes is going to fill this T liters. Then 1 minute is going to fill how much? T by
130. T by 130.
130. So what is T by 130? In 1 minute, it's going to be 8 into 10 into 13 divided by 130. So what is it?
8.
8. So that is also 8. What do you mean by this 8 here? When this was kept closed, you had 13 liters filling, right? So when it was kept closed, you can see that 13 liters gets filled in 1 minute. But when it was kept open, how much it is coming down to? See, 13 liters is filled in 1 minute when it is kept closed. When you keep it open, it will fill only how much? 8. Is that correct? Any doubt in this? Tashi?
Madam?
Rupesh? Yeah, do you have any doubt in this?
No, madam. No.
So 13 liters is filled in 1 minute when the outlet pipe is not open. But when the outlet pipe is open, it is going to fill in only 8 liters. What happened to the balance? How much is the balance here?
That is the
This is nothing but
5 liters per minute is the outlet rate of the pump.
Good. So that means what? The filling is already, if you know that every 1 minute it is going to bring in 13 liters, that is not going to change at all. The 13 is always going to come. But when this is open, you can see that the tank fills only 8 liters. Why so? Because this 5 liters is going out. Therefore, what is the capacity of the outlet pipe?
5 liters per minute.
5 liters per minute. Is that clear now? If you don't have any clarification, please tell me. I'll explain this again. Girls, Harita, Janavi, Karthik, is this clear or not clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear. So is this clear?
Answer is 208.
So what you're supposed to do now? You know that 13 liter comes in. Because of the leakage, it is going to hold only 8 liters. That means 5 liters out of 13, the 5 liters is going out for every 1 minute. So the capacity of this outlet pipe is 5 liters. So you have to see for this entire tank, how much time is going to take out. So again, the same thing. 5 liters is going every 1 minute. Therefore, you have to see that that 8 into 10 into 13 will
divided by 5.
Divided by 5. That is the water which is going to go out.
Time taken to empty. So that is 208 minutes.
208.
208.
Yes.
208. So that's the answer. That is when only this pipe, if suppose the tank is full, if the season is full and only this is opened, you know, it's going to take out 5 liters every 1 minute. And therefore it is going to take. So this one, this total capacity by 5 liters. Okay. This only I just said, and I'm going to give you one small symbol like where it will be easy for it to fill. Let me get, because I need the space here. Okay. So that is, I generally go for this T. I don't know whether you know this. Total work, time, and rate. So in this, we can say the total work is always time into rate. Okay. So here always you can fill this. In this also like total work. Total work means you not work. You need to know which is work. The work is like we can say here total is nothing but the capacity of the tank. 8 into 10 into 13. Okay. And in the previous case, 80 minutes is going to fill means that's a time given. 80 minutes. So the rate can be found out. What was the rate here? 13. So 13 liters per minute. Because this is in liters, this is in time is in minutes.
Time.
So we can say this is 13 liters per minute. Okay, similarly, in the second case, you found out that that is same thing, 8 into 10 into 13. And now the time is going to be 130. Therefore, this is 8 minutes per, say 8 liters per minute. Okay. And in this third case, you found out that the outlet rate is 5 liters. So when you go for this, how long it is going to discharge the complete water, the tank is full. Therefore, you still have the same capacity, but the Rate is given here is 5. Therefore, the time taken is again the same thing because product of these two is going to give this. So when you know these two, then you have to take that and divide by the other one. Divide by 5. That's it. So this T will be very useful when you have a confusion like whether to divide or multiply or whatever to be done. When you have this T, you know that this is a process. Any 2 is known, third can be found out. If you know total time, total work and then time, rate can be found out by dividing this by this time. Or if you know the time, you can if you know the rate, you can just take this one. Or if you know the time, you can just take the other way. Or if you have to find the total work, multiply these two. Out of these 3, any 2 is known, you can find out. Clear? Any doubt in this? Nobody is giving any answer.
No, madam, we don't have.
Why?
Karthik is.
I have no doubt.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. Next one. If you don't have doubt, I'm just moving on to the next one. Next. So this already we discussed percentage problem. Can you just tell me how to start? Now I'll call the name. I'll call a new name who has not answered so far. Kavya? Kavya and Karunya. I want you to just help me. I don't want you to give me the full answer. Kavya and Karunya, can you just answer my... Just say hello at least. Or just...
Yes, ma'am.
Karunya and Kavya? Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma'am. Because yesterday what happened? Yesterday or last class? I don't know. You're EC student. I don't want to tell the name. I just called 2 names and I kept waiting. Then I saw they just went away from the class. And I'm not scaring you by calling your name. I just want you to get involved. So once you start answering something, if I question something, you will not forget. You will always remember. That's one reason why I'm calling you all. Okay. So tell me, Kavya and Karunya, any one of you, what you are supposed to start blindly. I'm not reading the problem. Don't read the problem. You know it is under which category? This is under which category? Time and work, time and distance, average, numbers. Which category this comes? Hello? Are you there? Is it percentage? Not able to answer or any technical problem or? Hello? Yes, Kavya. Any one of you please tell me. Is it percentage problem? Profit and loss problem? What else is this?
Profit and loss.
Tell me, that's all. I just want you to tell. Good. It's a profit and loss problem. So already we had done some profit and loss problem. First thing is it's a percentage problem. So whenever percentage problem comes, what you're supposed to take as a total? Quick. Whenever percentage problem comes, what is this we are supposed to take as a total? Tell whatever you feel like. There is nothing wrong. Many of you still want to know a lot of things, but you're not coming out. That's it. So you just tell me, that will be useful for others also. Will you take 1, 10, 100? What will you take as total? Hello? Kavya? Karunya, Kavya. Yeah, even Kavya.
Yes,
ma'am. Tell me what you're going to take as a total. Will you take 10 or 100? Just, I told you this morning also while starting the class, whenever percentage comes, you're supposed to take something as a total. What will you take? Forgot. Sometime back I said, what you're supposed to take as a total? Anyone else? Karthik?
It's 100, ma'am.
100. So any percentage problem comes, don't forget this. we always start with 100. There are some conditions where we don't start with 100, but otherwise, normally we start with 100. Is that clear, Karunya or Kavya? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to start. Now it's any percentage problem, you're going to start with 100. But if there is a value involved in this, you can see something is given here, right? When there is a quantity involved in that, we are supposed to consider this 100 in terms of some variable. So just attach a variable. This is the main concept. I keep telling you again and again, any percentage problem comes, don't forget to take 100 as a starting value, and don't forget to put X in case if there is any number available in the problem. Okay. And now, this is what? Something it is given that he has purchased, he has bought, and then he sold. That means it's a profit and loss problem. So any profit and loss problem comes, normally, again here we go for cost price as the initial value. Okay, if suppose they are giving some cost price and then they're asking you for something, you can proceed with that cost price. And if they are not giving you the cost price and you're asked to find, you have to assume something, then what you should do? What will you assume for cost price here? Yes, Kavya. What will you assume as a cost price here? I still didn't read the problem. I'm not asking you to read the problem also. I'm just asking you the basics of this because this is what you're going to apply for any kind of problem. It's not only for this problem. I still didn't read the problem. I didn't want to read that. You tell me what should be assumed for cost price. Say something. Hello. You don't want to answer anything. Fine. I will call somebody else then. Hariharan? Hariharan. You people don't want to participate in this? What is the problem, you tell me? Okay, Rupesh, you tell me.
Ma'am,
What will you assume for cost price?
100.
100x. This is what I said, 100x. That is what I was saying. You have something here, so try to assume that here because I didn't even read the problem. But the minute I know it's a profit and loss problem, I am going to start with cost price, and that should be your initial price, and that should be 100. But in case if there is a number involved, I have to consider this in terms of 100x. That's it. And now go back to the problem and rate. This should be in your mind. That's why I'm writing it here. The minute I saw as a cost price, selling price is there, percentage is mentioned here. Let me consider this initial price as 100 or 100x. That's it. And now read the problem. A person bought an article and sold it at a loss of 10%. So I will not write in this way. I'll write the other way. Down I'll write it because I need to write other values. This is we have assumed as 100x. Now, Kavya, can you tell me what do you mean by loss? How much is the loss given here? Okay, let anybody say, even Sashi, whoever is saying, I don't mind because I need answers. Tell me, Sashi or Rupesh or Karthik.
10% loss.
10% loss means he sold it by 90.
This is 10% loss, right? So, what do you mean by loss? Selling price is equal to
it is less than the cost price.
Profit. Yeah.
Yes.
Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit or cost price minus loss. This is the first thing you should know. So selling price means the money, which is nothing but cost price minus loss, and the loss or profit is always calculated on cost price. So what is profit percentage? Profit divided by cost price into 100.
100.
What is loss percentage?
Loss
Profit
divided by selling.
That is wrong.
That is, yes.
Because that's just now I mentioned here. Whether it is a loss or profit, it is always on cost price. Okay. Not like in percentage where percentage increase or decrease, we change the denominator. Here, whether it's a profit or loss, it's always going to be for the cost price. Okay. So what is this? Just now you said 90. How do you get 90 here?
The total cost price minus that loss percent.
So here you need to consider loss percentage. Loss is nothing but loss percentage of cost price. So 10% of 100x. Purpose of taking 100x is we will get easily this value. You don't have to separately calculate. What is 10% of 100x? It is 10x.
10x.
So this is going to be 10x. If this is 10x, what is selling price?
90x.
90x. It is nothing but cost price minus loss, 90x. So this is one sentence you have. And now you tell me about the second sentence now.
If we bought it for 20% less and sold it for 55 more.
Read one by one.
Profit.
Don't ever get confused with one thing. If we bought it for 20% less, leave up to this. Always go for a break. Okay. If he bought it, if means what he has not done in case if it is. Okay.
Yes.
So if condition means it is not happening, but it's an imaginary thing. If he has done this. If he bought it for 20% less means how much is the price?
80x.
80x.
20%. If he bought means bought is nothing but cost price.
Cost price, that is means 80x.
Sold is nothing but selling price. Okay. So the cost price is brought by 20% less. So what is 20% of 100x?
20x. 20x.
20x. So you have to reduce by 20. When you reduce by 20x, that becomes
That is called 80x.
80x. That means in case his cost price is coming down to 80x. And what else is given here?
If we sold 55 more than that.
What is the selling price? If he has sold 55 more.
80x plus 55.
Who said that? Who said that?
Dinesh.
Rupee.
Dinesh, what is some small mistake? Whatever you said is good, but what is that mistake? Who can correct it? This is only if condition. If he bought it for 20% less and sold it for 55 more, what was earlier selling price?
90x.
Right. Earlier selling price is 90x. Now it is going to be 90x plus 55. You said 80x plus 55. It's not on the cost price. Of course, that confusion might come, but still, he sold it for 55%, 55 rupees more. Again, it's not 55%, it is 55 rupees. Rupees is some value which only have to be added to this already existing selling price. See, X is some variable. We don't know what is that variable. So you have to keep it as X itself. Right? So it's not on 80x. Good. It is on selling price. Then what is the profit he is getting?
40%.
40% of what you are supposed to take?
The
40% of what you are supposed to take?
The cost price.
Which is the cost price here?
80.
Good. 80x. Why 80x? Because this is a different problem, a different condition. The minute you said if, this becomes a different condition. That is, cost price is reduced by 20%, selling price is increased by 55 rupees. So cost price is reduced by 20%, selling price increased by 55 rupees. In that case, he is going to get a profit of 40%. Again, whenever you calculate profit or loss, it should be on the cost price. So now the cost price, what you have taken is 80x. So this is what is going to be there. So it's nothing but 40 by 100 into 80x is nothing but 32x. So this is going to be 32x. It's a profit. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, madam.
Okay, fine. Then what are you supposed to do now? Next step.
We have to find the X cost price. We have to find. So we can equate that selling price equal to cost price plus that profit.
Tell me what is that?
Selling price is 90x plus 55. Is equal to 80x plus 32x.
Good, very good. That is, when you say the selling price based on these two values, this is the statement given there. He's going to increase the price by 55. Otherwise, when you say profit is 32x and the cost price is 80x, then the selling price is nothing but 80 plus 32x. That is what is the selling price. And as per the statement, this is the selling price. So both are equal. So it's going to be 80x plus 32x is nothing but 90x plus 55. That's it. You bring it here, then this is going to be 92. That is 90 comes here negative. Minus 90 plus 80 is
So
minus 10 plus 32 is 22x.
22x equal to 55. So
55.
x equal to 5 by 2. So cost price is 250.
X is equal to 2.5. So cost price is nothing but 100x. Don't go for 80x month, that's only an imaginary value. Actual cost price is this is what we have assumed. So it's going to be 100 into 2.5, that is 250. So your answer is 250. Okay.
Okay.
Is this clear to everyone? I don't think so. Right?
It's clear now.
Sashi alone is telling what happened to others. Harita, is it clear? Okay then. If just go through that. What? Your voice is breaking. What did you say, Harita? Sana is in this class, and I think the next class students started.
heard you call me.
Yeah, Mama, I asked you whether it is clear. Sneha, are you from ECB?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sana, Sneha.
And
I think the next. Understood. Okay, ma. I think this we have done one problem today, but this what the problem which you have done is not that simple problem. In selling price, cost price, this is slightly tougher problem only. If you have understood this, then the other problems will be easier. Okay. If not, just go through that. I think somebody asked me for the paper today. At least I'll forward the paper now. Okay. Please go through that, and in case you have doubt, please ask me in the next class. Say, I want everybody to interact like how now Sashi is doing. If only when you people interact, I'll know whether you know or not, and accordingly, I'll change my speed also. Right? Okay, I think the next class students started coming in. So we'll wind up and we'll see next week onwards. I'll change the timing, ma, because a lot of students were asking for morning. So I'm trying to keep the class in the morning. Moreover, I don't have college because of lockdown. I may not be going to college hereafter. So morning itself we can have the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. See you. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Kamali R. What's the roll number of Kamali R? Kamali? Kamali R. Hello.